This is our first weekly review. This is the week of April 24th, and what we're going to be talking about is what we achieved this week and our goals for next week. Personally, what I did this week is I worked on CADing the part for the robot which would pick up the ring, and we're actually going for a design that'll lift up the ring as well as suck it up. And that's kind of hard to design because we only have 3 motors to work with, and you basically just have to work around it. And so basically what I tried to do is I made this sort of rectangular design that would get pulled up by a gear after getting sucked in by rollers. But the extrude cut doesn't work on such a small gap space between the triangles for the niches on the rectangle. So I had to rethink my design, and basically what I'm doing now is I'm trying to rotate the whole apparatus with one motor, which might not work, but it'll work a lot better than something I can't do. And my goal for next week is to complete the claw design and possibly have it printed out and do a test run.
Okay, so what I did this week was I programmed the robot so that it would go to the light sensors, and then it would go back to the middle, spin, and go to each light. So I basically made the code, then copied and pasted it 4 times so it went to every light. And I worked with Chris on this for a bit, and my goals for next week are to modify the code a bit so that it will fit with when the robot tries to pick up the rings. There will be a bit of a delay, so then the robot can actually has time to pick up the rings. And then that's what I'm going to work on next week. Yeah, here's Chris. Bye.
Okay, so what I worked on this week was I helped Jonathan with the program, and I also created the build log, and I helped him get it to go to each of the lights. And my goal for next week is to continue to help with the programming and maybe with the CAD, and help learn more about what the errors mean to help fix the programming.